everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about salt hydrolysis. Now my name is Uma Shankar. I am going to talk about salt hydrolysis. Start this section, see this board. Friends, first of all, what is the basic definition of the salt hydrolysis? This is the very important concept in ionic equilibrium. Friends, what is the basic definition of the salt hydrolysis? The process, friends, the process which cation or anion or both of a salt reacts with, friends, reacts with water to produce or to form acidic or basic solution. This called as salt hydrolysis. The process which cation or anion or both of a salt reacts with water to form a acidic or basic solution, that is called as salt hydrolysis. Basic definition. Friends, you know that in salt are classified into four categories. It depends upon the acids and bases. Now, four types of salts. Four types of salt depends upon the acids and bases. The first one is the strong acid and strong base gives salt. This is the strong acid and strong base to gives a salt. This is the first category. And second one is weak acid plus strong base to form salt. This is second category. And third one is the strong acid plus weak base gives salt. And fourth one is the weak acid and weak base gives salt. Friends, depends upon the acids and bases. Salts are four categories. The first one is the strong acid, strong base gives salt. Friends, this is the cannot source no hydrolysis. Why this is cannot source no hydrolysis? Explain briefly next. And first of all, introduction. Strong acid and strong base gives salt. It is cannot source no hydrolysis because of these are the strong acids and strong base. And second one is the weak acid plus strong base gives salt. These three are source hydrolysis. Okay friends, one more important point table. Now what happens is more will be the weak component present in there, that is called as more hydrolysis. Friends, in these four categories, in so many competitive exams, what happened there? Which one is the more hydrolysis in these four? What will that answer? Friends, the answer is the more weak components. In this weak acid and weak base, more weak components is present in this is called as more hydrolysis. This is the basic introduction of the salt. And next one is the one by one explain briefly. Now first one is the strong acid and strong base gives salt. Why this is no hydrolysis takes place? Okay friends, this is clear friends. Now in this video I am only talking about strong acids and strong base gives salts is no hydrolysis present in there, in briefly explain. And next one is the weak acid and strong base. In this video I am only discussing about the salt hydrolysis of weak acid and strong base. And next my class I am going to explain strong acid plus weak base and weak acid and weak base. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. Okay friends, first one is the salt is strong acid plus strong base gives salt. It cannot show no hydrolysis. Why this is cannot show no hydrolysis? Explain briefly, friends. Strong acid is the HCl and strong base is NaOH to gives what happened there, HCl plus NaOH to gives NaCl. This is salt, friends. This is salt. Now this NaCl is react with water. What is the salt hydrolysis, friends? Salt hydrolysis is the salt of cation and anion reacted with water to produce acidic or basic solution. That is the definition of the salt hydrolysis. Now NaCl plus H2O, what happened there, friends? This is the Na plus and Cl minus ions are present in there, and water is the H plus OH minus ions present in there. Now this is the cation. Cation it reacted to the OH minus. Now this reaction, what happened, friend? NaOH is present in there, but in this case what happened there? NaOH is a strong base. What is the nature of NaOH? NaOH is the tendency to OH minus ions is released. That is the basic concept. But this is strong electrolyte or strong base. What happened there? NaOH is a tendency to OH minus ions. Now this reaction is the in backward reaction of NaOH is 99% present in there. This Na plus and OH minus is only 1%. Now this cannot source, Na plus cannot source no hydrolysis. No hydrolysis. This is the concept, friends. As well as H plus Cl minus is gives HCl. This is strong acid and this is backward direction. This is 99% and this is only 1%. It means H plus and Cl minus. What is the HCl nature? Nature of HCl is to tendency to H plus ions release, and this is cannot exist in this direction. Now this H plus is no hydrolysis. No hydrolysis takes place. This is the basic concept of the strong acid plus strong base gives salt. This is no hydrolysis. What is the reason, friends? The reason is the HCl and NaOH is it is a strong basis. It's only tendency to OH minus ions in NaOH, and HCl is the H plus ions is present in there. Now it cannot exit in this direction because of this is 1% reaction is present in this forward direction. This is the reason of the strong acid plus strong base gives salt. No hydrolysis takes place. Okay, friends. And next salt is the weak acid plus strong base. Friends, very important concept, friends. So many formulas are present in this weak acid plus strong base. Friends, second salt is the weak acid plus strong base gives salt. It shows hydrolysis. Friends, it shows hydrolysis. What is the weak base? Friends, weak base is the example is the HCOOH plus strong weak acid is weak acid is the HCOOH and formic acid plus strong base is NaOH. Okay, friends, strong base is NaOH gives HCOO Na. This is the salt. Now this HCOO Na is reacted to water to form what happened, friends? HCOO minus ion plus Na plus ions plus OH minus ion plus H plus ions are present in this reaction. Now one more point, friends. This is the Na plus and OH is react. What happened, friends? This NaOH is strong electrolyte or strong base. It cannot source hydrolysis. Already you know that. Okay, friends. Na plus OH minus gives NaOH. It cannot source hydrolysis because of this is 99% and this is 1%, and NaOH is no hydrolysis takes place. Okay, friends, because of this is strong base. Okay, friends, this is Clear friends? And next two important one is the this is the HCOO minus is reacted with H plus ions to gives HCOOH is present in there. This is weak acid friends. This is weak acid. In this direction this is only friends, in this back direction this is only present in 5%, but this direction is this is 95% is present in this. HCOO minus is source hydrolysis. This is the concept of the hydrolysis friends. Okay friends, you can understand this concept. What is friends? This is the hydrolysis takes place because of the HCOO minus plus H plus to gives HCOOH. This is the weak acid. It gives them in this direction, backward direction this is only 5%, but in this direction this is 95% is present in this HCOOH. It shows hydrolysis. This is the concept. Now what is the equation friends? What is the equation for hydrolysis? What is the equation for hydrolysis in weak acid and strong base? Is the HCOO minus is react with water is gives HCOOH plus OH minus. OH minus ions are present in this solution. What happened there? HCOO is reacted with H2O and this gives HCOOH plus OH. Now this is the weak electrolyte. Now in this weak acid plus strong base gives salt. In salt hydrolysis what happened there? This is the OH minus ions are present in this solution. OH minus ions is present in this solution. This is called as basic solution. This solution is called as basic solution friends. Weak acid plus strong base gives salt. That solution is called as basic solution. This is very important point friends, basic solution. And definitely this pH value is greater than 7. This is the basic solution. Now friends, what is the hydrolysis constant of this reaction? This is clear friends. This is arise. This is arise. First of all, this is arise. What is friends? This solution is basic and pH is greater than 7. This is arise. The reaction is the HCOO minus plus H2O gives HCOOH plus OH minus ions. Now what is the ionization constant or equilibrium constant of this reaction? Friends, this is the equilibrium constant of this reaction is KH. KH means the hydrolysis constant. Now KH is equal to what is friends? KH is equal to this is the concentration of products HCOOH, concentration of products by concentration of reactants. H2O is the concentration is constant. This is 1. Now KH is equal to concentration of products HCOOH into OH minus by HCOO minus. This is the KH. Now one more important point friends. The point is the in this reaction the weak component is present in there. That weak component is HCOOH. Now this weak component friends, this weak component is the ionization constant of this weak component is HCOO minus plus H plus. This is called as Ka. Ka is equal to ionization constant of weak acid is the concentration of HCOO minus into concentration of H plus by concentration of HCOOH. Now this is the KH and this is the Ka. Now these two are multiply. What happened friends? These two are KH into Ka multiply. What happened friends? This HCOO minus and HCO minus is cancelled and HCOOH and HCOH is cancelled. What happened friends? H plus and OH minus ions is present in there. These two are multiply. What happened friends? KH into Ka is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. In according to ionic product of water, concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus is Kw. This is the formula is present in this weak acid plus strong base. The formula is the ionization constant or hydrolysis constant Kh into weak component constant Ka equal to Kw is present in there. Now H, friends, Kh is equal to Kw by Ka is present in there. This is the one more important formula. Kh is equal to Kw by Ka. Now we have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. Now friends, this is the HCOO minus plus H2O gives HCOO plus OH minus. Now in this HCOO, H is represented to the concentration. Now this is the concentration, friends. The reaction is the HCOO minus plus H2O gives HCOOH plus OH minus. Friends, in this reaction I am represented to the, this is the concentration C, because of this is the present in the HCOONA. HCOONA is a strong electrolyte. It's dissociated into 100%. This salt is the concentration is C. Now this is C. Now this is the 100% dissociation of C. HCOO minus concentration is C. Now whenever this is C, now initially this is 0 and 0. Initially this concentration is C and this is 0 and 0. And after at equilibrium, friends, at equilibrium what happened there, friends? At equilibrium what happened, friends? One more important point is present in there. The point is the degree of hydrolysis. Friends, what is, friends, degree of hydrolysis? In before my previous class I am going to talk about degree of dissociation, but in this case what happened, friends? This is a salt hydrolysis. This reactions is the degree of hydrolysis. What is degree of hydrolysis, friends? This is the C moles is present in there. Now the degree of hydrolysis of this reaction is as well as similar to the degree of dissociation. Now this is C minus CH moles is CH moles is hydrolysis. This is called as degree of hydrolysis. Now C minus CH is the degree of hydrolysis. That is the concept. H is the, friends, H is the degree of hydrolysis. H is the degree of hydrolysis. It is similar to the degree of dissociation. Now C minus CH present in the, now this is the CH and this is CH. Okay friends, now we have to calculate the OH minus ion concentration is equal to CH. Now what is the H plus ion concentration? Now we have to calculate the H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to Kw, because of the ionic product of water. Now OH minus ion concentration is CH. Now H plus ion concentration is equal to Kw by CH is a present in there. H present in there. Now Kw is a constant at 25 degrees Celsius. This value is 10 to the power of minus 14. Now C is the concentration. What is H? Now we have to calculate the H. H is the degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. Now we have to calculate the H in this equation. Friends, this is clear, friends. This is arise. Friends, this is very important concept, friends, and these formulas are used for the pH of a salt, pH of a salt hydrolysis. Now this is the H plus. Now we have to calculate the H. Friends, H is the, what is the, this reaction KH is the, what is the KH? K is the equilibrium constant or ionization hydrolysis constant of this reaction. KH is equal to, this is the products by concentration. Now products is the CH into CH by C minus CH. Now KH is equal to C square H square by C is common, 1 minus H is present in there, 1 C is cancelled. KH is equal to CH square by 1 minus H. Now this is the 1 minus H is the weak electrolyte, as well as say similar to that my 1 minus alpha is nearly equal to the 1, and as well as 1 minus H is nearly equal to the 1. Now this value is the KH is equal to CH square is present in there. Now in this reaction, in this equation what happened there? H is equal to root over KH by C is present in there. What is, friends? H is equal to KH by C is present in there. Now in this reaction, what in this equation H value is substituted. What happened there? Now this is arise, friends. This is arise. this is arise. Friends, concentration of H plus equal to Kw by C into what is H, friends? H is the root over Kh by C. Now concentration of H plus is equal to Kw by C into what is Kh, friends? Kh is the already in before Kh is, friends, Kh is equal to Kw by Ka is present in there. Already you know that in before I will discuss Kh is equal to Kw by Ka. Now in this value what happened there? Kw by Ka into C present in there. Now this is the solid. What happened there? This plus concentration of H plus is equal to root over Kw into Ka by C is present in there. This is the H plus ion concentration of the weak acid plus strong base. What is the formulas are present in there? Now Kh is equal to Kw by Ka. This is the one more important formula, and as well as the formula is the H is equal to what is H, friends? H is the degree of hydrolysis equal to root over Kh by C, and as well as one more important point that is called as the K, concentration of H plus is equal to root over Kw into Ka by C. Friends, this is the concept of the weak acid plus strong base of salt hydrolysis, and next class I am going to talk about weak acid plus weak base and strong acid plus weak base. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.